Hey guys, we received this King Pavonini Gel Ice Headache Relief Cap. It's an adjustable cap with a drawstring that fits all head. The cold compression and relief cap for tension. So we can just open this. So you can see our gel cap and the manual. So we just focus on the cap. So this cap is a reversible cap and it's a soft fabric, so we can just see it. So here you can see a really nice comfortable and smooth fabric here. This is inside is great comfortable fabric and outside is a waterproof one. So this is a gel inside already. This is a drawstring, like for the women who have like long hairs, so they can just take it out, or you can just cover it based on the different head sizes. So it's like a more coverage to your hair and the eye or the head, and this also have like a more gel here, as you can see. So after putting it into the refrigerator, you will see like it's really giving a cold impact on the face, on the head, ear, eyes, in the sinus area. And it's a really comfortable thing, and you can also like if you want to do it more, you can just open the string and put it in a way, and yeah, you can adjust based on your head size or the area you want to do. So it's a cold compression. You can also do with a microwave with a hot one, just for 30 seconds or so, and it's really nice.